In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Excel in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to bring an Excel file into Google Sheets so you can view, edit, and share it right in your browser. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files and save your work. In the top right corner, click the small grid icon for Google Apps. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets, where you can create and manage spreadsheets. Once you're in Google Sheets, click the blank option to open a new, empty spreadsheet. We're using a blank file as a safe place to import your Excel data without changing anything else. At the top, open the File menu and select Import. This brings up the Import window where you can bring in data from different sources. In the Import window, switch to the Upload tab. This is where you can add a file from your computer. You can either drag and drop your Excel file directly into this area, or click the Browse button to pick the file manually. If you click Browse, your file picker will open. Navigate to where your Excel file is stored, select it, and confirm. Google Sheets supports common Excel formats like XLSX and XLS. If your file is large or has multiple sheets, don't worry. Sheets will handle those tabs and bring them in as separate sheets. If the file is password protected, remove the protection first so it can be imported. After selecting the file, you'll see import options. These control how the data lands in your spreadsheet. If you're working in a blank spreadsheet, the default option usually works well. You can keep the default to insert the content as new sheet tabs in this file, or choose to replace the current sheet if that's what you prefer. You can also leave other settings, like separators and conversion options, as they are unless you have a specific need. When you're ready, click Import Data. Google Sheets will upload the file and convert the content. In a moment, your Excel data will appear in the spreadsheet. Take a quick look to confirm everything looks right. Basic formatting and most formulas typically carry over well. If you notice dates, currencies, or long numbers looking odd, you can adjust their formats using the toolbar. Your work saves automatically to your Google Drive, and you can rename the file at the top to keep things organized. That's it. Your Excel file is now open and ready to use in Google Sheets.